You put a candy in. Put that one. Look, there was one right there. Grab that one. Put it in your bucket.
Welcome to our Easter weekend, everybody. Grab that one. Put it in your bucket. Put it in your bucket. Good job. Yeah, look at those ones. Olivia, look, there's one right here, sweetie. Get it right there. Oh, Olivia, you get that one too. That one, Daddy. Did you find one?
Oh, is Abel gonna be eating some chocolate?
Not mine.
If it's not your name, put it back.
Oh, someone else's.
Don't say.
I know where Boston's is at. It's not that one.
Cody, you're looking for yours?
What the heck? Oh, we get peeps too.
Oh, holy cannoli. Oh my.
And we get a that's all we can see.
Careful with what's in that plastic cake. Did you show your dad?
$5 bill.
Oh my golly. What do you tell Grandpa?
Thank you.
Here.
Thank you. What do you tell Grandpa?
Thank you.
Hmm? Yeah.
Keep that one.
Yay. Thank you. Oh my goodness, thank you so much.
It's already hard boiled.
Can I scratch the shell?
Scrap, you don't want to eat that?
This is the first time the kids are seeing the hole. They want to throw their Easter eggs. I don't. I bigger than the posts. Like posts. I thought it was small, but
Good morning.
good morning.
Is everybody awake this time?
Yep.
Happy Easter.
Happy Easter.
Where's,
If they aren't, I'll just do this.
Where's Olivia?
Stop. Oh, she's coming.
Okay.
The Easter bunny came.
Oh, good. You're very excited, aren't you?
Yeah.
He's like, what time can I come upstairs?
At 7.
Good morning. They were waiting for you. What time is it now?
It's 7:34.
Okay, so
Let's.
I thought it was around 8. I feel like I slept too late, so I feel really good. But I
good.
could only I was on like a lighter sleep though, so like I could hear Lincoln and the boys being like, "Should we go wake up Olivia? Lincoln, go wake up Olivia." No, wait, don't wake her up. Like
You're like, you are waking
I'm
me up.
like, you already woke me up like a
Are you
long
sure
time
it's
ago.
no? It's a leash. Oh, it is a leash. Lady got a leash. Oh, you don't touch it. Wait, Mom, Lady got a leash.
It's pretty.
Where's Lady got a leash?
Is that lady's scarf?
It's
Wait.
pretty.
It's a
Wait,
scarf
I
for
think this
lady.
one's mine.
I think that one's mine.
No.
It's going from youngest to oldest or something. This one's yours then. If that's
This one's size 8.
whose?
This one is size 8.
Mine. That one's yours, Lincoln.
Ted Brady got a new leash.
Where is Lady?
Brady.
Maybe.
He got goggles.
Obviously, that one's Olivia's.
So please stop.
Lincoln, please stop touching.
This one's mine.
Scoot back. Grab your things and scoot back.
He's got goggles.
To oldest.
I would imagine, yes.
We just got goggles. Cody, we get these.
Awesome. Lincoln, look. Yours is the smallest one on the end.
That one's mine.
No.
Mm-hmm. It does.
Are you sure?
Whoa, where did that go?
I don't know. We'll see.
Do you not like turquoise?
I like turquoise.
Do you like turquoise?
I got blue.
Sorta. I can't open it.
Well, maybe if someone wants to trade with you, they can.
I wish there was eggs.
We're not gonna fight anymore.
Yeah, maybe the Easter Bunny was like, they fight every summer over goggles.
That was mine, Nikki.
These are so cool.
Oh, no, snakes right out of your head. Oh, that's so pretty.
That is so
The other
cute.
way. Doesn't the back have to go on her back?
How do the people put it on her when they cut her hair?
This part.
Do they do it in the front?
Yeah, that's right. I'll flip it over.
It's really cute on the front.
Oh,
And this is Lady's leash.
Maybe that's for, no, don't pin her ears up. Maybe you can have that, Olivia.
Leash. Look at
That's
this
cute.
leash.
oh my goodness,
Holy cow,
that's
look at
so
that.
pretty.
It's really pretty.
It feels like forced.
Hey, did you get some?
You're a horse.
Oh, it's really pretty. I think you should put the bandana in the front of her. Uh-huh.
Oh yeah, so then it's like
Yeah,
the
that's cute.
things that people put on when they
Nice to
eat.
meet you.
That's cute.
Did we all get new pajamas?
Yeah, it looks like it. Cool. Laston's looks smaller than Olivia's. I think hers might be a little bigger.
Yeah. We need to tighten yours up.
We'll tighten it.
Awesome. Those are some cute jammies.
And it looks like kind of like footies, but without the feet.
They look like footies, but without the footies. Makes sense. Okay, does everybody have an outfit for after church?
Yep.
Is it in the car? Do you all have shoes?
Yep.
Okay, let's go. Let's go to church. Joel, you ready? Kids literally had candy for breakfast. Interesting. Oh, but we're hunting for the eggs. Oh, he's hunting for the eggs. Oh, cute. Where'd you find that?
Somewhere.
Oh my gosh.
Mom, I have an idea for my Easter egg bag. I'll just take this for the stars.
I'm going to give everyone a sneak peek of possibly where some eggs are. So we'll see how fast the kids can find them. The kids are ruthless.
Yeah, let him go.
Did you find a golden egg?
I found a golden egg. I'm really pretty. Did you find a carrot thing too? Yeah, look. Can't see. Watch and look. I got one. Hey, I got one. Watch it. I got one. Daddy, where's the carrot thing? I got one. Down here. There's 4 carrots.
She's faking it. She's not really crying. She's pouting. Because Aunt Linda said don't hurt her. Don't hurt her.